Okay, okay, guys. You know how to help your help your health and improve your health, improve your body, reduce the fat liver, and the heavy weight, and to improve your uh, immune system and your spirit, reduce your inflammation, reduce your stomach ache, reduce your cardio system, your cardio system, and you know how to improve your whole body to be a healthier person. You First of all, we know we have to exercise, or we have to receive lots of information that everyone tell or everyone tell us that we have to exercise more, we have to sleep well uh, every day, and we have to eat healthy foods. Yeah, that's right. Now today I'm gonna tell you what foods we can, what type of foods we must eat, or we have to eat, and that can make our body be more healthier, and more important, it can also have many benefits that also be very helpful to the earth, to your society, to your country. Okay, first we can see that from this website, and it shows that to be a vegan, okay, we know that the meat is delicious if you cook well before your dinner, or you can have a pork meat um, with your friends, with your family. That's delicious, right? But if you can try to be a vegan, or at least eat, or at least to be a vegan 3 days per week, or 2 days or 3 days, to be a vegan during the week, or 2 days or 2 days or 3 days, or you'll be very healthy, and you can help the earth. You can see that this website shows that the top 10 reasons why it's green to be vegan. Okay, the first reason is reduce global warming. Yes, you know that global warming, one of the main reasons that causes global warming is the emission of carbon dioxide. And you know, once you reduce the consumption of meat, that can help reduce almost 20% of the carbon emission, or no, at least 10% to 20%. Okay, the reduce of the carbon dioxide or any toxic air that harm our planet, harm the earth. We can reduce the margin, or reduce the percent of the toxic toxic air, reduce the global warming, because the meat you we produce one kilometers no kilometer we kilogram or produce 1 kilogram of meat. We have to produce lots of carbon dioxide and many other toxic oxygen, toxic air, toxic molecules that will harm the earth. Okay, the second, avoid excessive carbon dioxide production. Right? According to the United Nations report, when the emission from land use and land use change included the livestock, the livestock sector accounts for 9% of the carbon dioxide derived from human-related activities, but produce a much larger share of even more harmful greenhouse gases. Okay, you see that? It's based on the United Nations reports. You can avoid excessive carbon dioxide production. To be a vegan, okay, reduce the third, reduce methane and nitrous oxide production. Okay, read this article. Cows and sheep are responsible for 37% of the total methane, 23 times as warming as carbon dioxide generated by human activity. When methane emissions cause nearly half of the planet's human-induced warming, methane reduction must be a priority. That's key. Okay, that's what I have talked just before. Livestock industry. Okay, and that means the meat we eat. Okay, that relates to the meat we eat. Okay, industry generates 64% of ammonia, which contributes significantly to acid rain. See that? Okay, it's enough. This reason is enough to make you to be a vegan at least 3 days per week. But yes, it's enough. If you really care about the earth, care about your country, if you live in if you live in a place that is hurt by the warm climate. If you live on small islands in some Pacific region, you will feel it. And the fourth reason, save large amounts of water. Yes, reduce the waste of water. Estimates of water required to produce a kilo of beef vary from 13,000 liters up to 100,000 liters. Whichever figure you use, the damage is plain. When you consider that the water required to produce a kilo of wheat is somewhere between 1,000 to 2,000 liters. A big reason, avoid further pollution of our streams, rivers, and oceans. Yes, reduce the toxic molecules to our waters. The sixth reason, reduce destruction of topsoil and tropical rainforest. Yes, especially everybody knows that the Amazon, the forest in Brazil, is the lung of the earth. To be a vegan, you can reduce the destruction of the forest. Okay, get it? Got it? Okay, and the seventh reason, reduce destruction of wildlife habitats and endangered species. Yes, we can see some videos, films from the TVs, from the internet that show that lots of species in the world is going to be extinct, going to disappear. One effective way, one powerful way to save them, to prevent that is reduced, is to be a vegan or part-time vegan. Okay, I call it part-time vegan, not full-time vegan. I can reduce the destruction of wildlife habitats and endangered species. 8th reason, reduce the antibiotics, growth hormones, chemicals. Yes, these chemicals, these human-made molecules, usually are harmful to our health, also harmful to the animals and plants and the life. Okay, it's harmful to the earth. The ninth reason, reduce ecological footprint. Okay, by choosing be a vegetarian diet instead of one loaded with animal products. Individuals can dramatically reduce the amount of land, water, and oil resources that they consume, and the amount of pollution they otherwise might cause. Okay, got it? To be a vegan, or sometimes, or if you don't want to be a vegan, at least you can choose to take a vegetarian diet or per day, once per day. Or if you can to be a vegetarian in your breakfast or lunch, you can choose, or dinner, you can choose to be a vegetarian, or at sometimes during the day. Okay, the 10 reason help ensure environmental sustainability. Okay, get it? You can see lots of words here. Okay, got it? For short, vegan 2 days to 3 days as a vegan during a week is very helpful to the earth. Also, it's very helpful to your body. You can improve your health. Okay, get it, everyone? See you next time.